and I just thought it'll be perfect for the risotto today. I'm going to use my cast iron pan, and I just hope that it fits on there and it's not too heavy for this camping table. Right guys, so I'm actually doing a chicken and chorizo risotto, but I'm also going to put some celery and some mushrooms. These are the chestnut mushrooms, and they're actually really nice with Gruyere cheese or something like that. She's very safe doing this. I think you've been cutting Mummy's veggies for her since you were very small, haven't you? We've just upgraded you to that little knife. Yeah, but I'll link the knives below.
It's not little, it's sharp.
I will link the knives below. Don't you worry about me, you just look at what you're doing.
Okay.
That's it, remember to keep your fingers in. Good girl, perfect. So yeah, let's see what else we've got in the mix. I got some chorizo. I also got some chicken breast, I'm going to put that in there. Some risotto rice.
Okay,
I made this chicken stock myself and I freeze it, so it's chicken stock, but it's quite garlicky, so usually I'd add garlic to the risotto. I'm not going to do that today because it's in the stock. I'm going to water it down, it's a thick stock, and I think the secret to a good risotto is making sure that you've got plenty of stock constantly going. And we'll also pop to the wine bar as well. Try and put a little splash of white wine in it because I don't... So first things first, nice big dollop of butter, and then we're going to go ahead and put the rice in. Stolen. Oh, there we go. We're going to do a nice, quite a bit, I'd say. Alright, and then we're going to give it all a stir. And make sure the first thing before you put any liquids in is to make sure that the risotto is covered in melted butter. I don't know why, apparently it softens it. Why are you eating with your face?
You've got to get.
A little bit of oil in there
You've
now.
got to get.
Need some stock. Woo! Look at that. Here's my stock. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I can smell the garlic from that stock. So good. So whilst that's simmering, we've got some bushcraft on the TV. I'm addicted to watching bushcraft on YouTube. That looks so good. And we're going to need a white wine. So we're only going to just put a splash. Any white wine will do. I'm going to go for this bit of French. So we have got some peppers, celery and mushroom, and I've added salt and pepper to that. I'm going to fry these off quickly, stick it in the risotto and let that simmer, and then I'm going to go ahead, probably get some white wine in there when the veggies in there, cut some chorizo and put the chicken on. The veggies, hot and heavy. Something about cooking in a cast iron pan. Darling, it's fine. There's something about cooking in a cast iron pan. The food just, it's got that smoky taste to it. On my, I'd say, third jug of this. I think now is a good time to add the white wine. It wouldn't have mattered if you added it first. That
looks like alcohol.
One for the dish.
Okay.
And one for me. Cheers. Remember the rules, you cannot keep leaving this, you have to keep an eye on it all the time. Even when it's simmering on a low heat. And you don't want it soft and mushy, but then you don't want it too hard and crunchy. I'm going to leave that to simmer. I'm just going to go and fill up my jug with a little bit more veggie stock this time, just so I've got one on hand. We're having chorizo and chicken in there tonight, which is going to be so nice. So that stock was from one of our dinners a few nights ago, and we had the chicken cooked in the slow cooker, and I saved the juices and added a lot of garlic. Lovely. Smells really good. I'm just going to take maybe that much. I just lost it. Have a little thin bit. What did you just eat? Some cucumber? Actually, I don't think that needs to be cooked off first. I think that can go straight in. I quite like the...
I like it.
I like it as well.
Why?
Because I think it's cooking quite high. So thank you so much for joining me for another video. To check out my YouTube shorts. There's so many recipes on there and so many good ideas, and I'll be back soon for another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, bye bye.